Hello friends, it's Pinky time! For today's video, let's draw and paint a variety of cacti. Let's get started! We are currently drawing the first cactus. Look, how cute is it? Let's draw the second cactus. Meet Spike, our friendly cactus companion, standing tall in the arid landscapes with a spiky crown that's as unique as a fingerprint. These amazing plants are like nature's champions of the desert, mastering the art of survival in scorching heat and limited water. Let's paint these two cacti. Look! They are smiling at you. One of the coolest things about cacti is their water-storing superpower. You see, Spike and his cactus friends have a clever way of storing water in their thick, fleshy stems. It's like having a built-in water bottle that helps them stay hydrated during long, dry spells. And now, let's draw the third cacti. Now, let's talk about the cactus's party trick, blooming flowers. Yes, even though they live in harsh desert conditions, cacti burst into vibrant, colorful blooms when the time is right. It's like throwing a surprise party in the desert, and everyone's invited to admire the breathtaking beauty. Lastly, meet our last cacti. color them together. There you have it, little plant enthusiasts, cacti, the desert wonders with their water-storing magic, prickly defenses, and blooming surprises. The next time you spot a cactus, give it a nod and appreciate the incredible feats it performs in the challenging desert environment. Spike and his cactus buddies are truly the unsung heroes of the desert, making the arid landscapes a little greener and a lot more interesting. See you in the next video.